always use open everywhere? Then you are still using incorrect word. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nasibun and you are watching English 99. In this video, we will learn that opening is not used everywhere. So without any further delay, let's begin. I am open the medicine. I pop out the medicine. I open the lid. I flip up the lid. I open the cap. I twist off the cap. I open the cap. I take off the cap. I open the zip. Unzip the bag. I open the foundation. I pump out the foundation. Open the pen cap. Take off the pen cap. Open the envelope. Unseal the envelope. Open the knot. Untie the knot. Open the bandage. Remove the bandage. Open the packet. I have torn it open. Open the shirt. Unbutton the shirt. Open the fist. Unclench the fist. Open the curtain. Draw back the curtain. Open the lock. Unlock the lock. Open the secret. Reveal the secret. Open the polythene. Untie the polythene. Open the hair. Untie the hair. I hope after this video you will not use always open, and if you don't see my previous video, so you can and be the part of this journey and just start your practice right now. Without practicing you can't do anything, as you know. So love yourself and believe in yourself that you can do everything. Jai Hind.